Horseshoe Bend of the Colorado River near Page, Arizona, and the Glen Canyon Dam marks the beginning of the Grand Canyon. The bend in the river is 270 degrees. Well, as long as we're here, let's just take this river on down to the Hoover Dam.
I was a dam builder across the river deep and wide, where steel and water did collide. A place called Boulder on the wild Colorado. I slipped and fell into the wet concrete below. They buried me in that gray tomb that knows no sound, but I am still around.